Hi everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to access eBooks from the David D. Palmer Health Sciences Library. In general, most of our eBooks can be found on one of two databases, either ProQuest or EBSCOhost. So I'm just going to show you one example from each of these just to sort of give you a general idea of how the ebook e-reader interface sort of works. Now, once you make sure you're logged in with your Palmer credentials, you're going to go here to the library homepage. I'm going to narrow my search to eBooks because that's what I'm looking for. And if you know the title or author of the book you're looking for, great. You can also do a keyword search, which is what I'm going to do. And that should take me to the book that I'm looking for. Here it is. Now you can either click View eBook from right here, or you can click onto the book's details page and click View eBook over here. Either one works. But that'll take you to the eBooks sort of home in the database. In this case, it's EBSCOhost. It'll take you to this details page. You can scroll down and find a table of contents here. Now, if you want to download the book to your device, you can do that. You just look for this full download link right here. Now, EBSCOhost specifically wants you to create an EBSCOhost account in order to be able to access full downloads. We recommend that you do that. It's completely free and easy to set up, and they won't email spam you or anything, but that just allows you to have full access to all the resources that EBSCOhost has to offer. But if you want to read it just from the website and you don't want to download the full text, you can look for anything that says PDF full text, or it might say e-reader, something to the effect of read the full text over in the side here. And that'll take you to this little e-reader page once this finishes loading. Here we go. So you can scroll up and down to sort of flip the pages. You can also turn the pages using these little arrows down here. But what's also nice is you have this table of contents here on the side, and you can click straight to whatever chapter you want to start with. Or if you're looking for a specific section, all you got to do is just click the link and it'll take you straight there. We can adjust the size of the font by clicking these little plus and minus signs down here. We can also go into full screen mode, which is nice. And then they have this really nice little toolbar up here that allows you to do things like save, email, or print pages for yourself. There's a dictionary option up here. One of my favorite things about EBSCOhost is it has this little citation button. So if you are using this text in a research paper, for example, if you click Cite, it'll come up with all of these automatic citations for you in just about any format that you could ever possibly need, which I think is kind of cool. You can also save it to your Google Drive from here. Now, they also have these tools right here. If you click on My Notes and you are logged into your EBSCOhost account, you can take any notes you want as you read, which is nice. You can also use this search within function to find any section mentioning a certain keyword. So basically your Control F. So let's say I want to look for pediatric. And then it'll take me to anywhere that that word is mentioned in the text. And then if you decide that you've changed your mind, you do want to download the full text to your device, you can just hit that little full download button over here. And that is pretty much how the EBSCOhost interface works. Now I'm going to show you one more example from ProQuest. So we're going to go back to our library homepage here. Going to narrow my search again, and this time I'm looking for Byrne and Levy Physiology. All right, and here it is. So I'm going to click View eBook right here. And that takes us to ProQuest. And it's very similar to EBSCOhost. You've got the same sort of details page and table of contents here. You can also click the links here to jump straight to any specific chapter that you're looking for. You can also download PDFs of individual chapters using these links. And then it has the download to your device option here as well. But we're going to click this Read Online button so that we can access it in ProQuest. And then similar to EBSCOhost, we've got our little flip page buttons down here. But if you want access to the table of contents, you click on this little sort of bullet list looking button right here. And then again, you can click on whatever section you want to jump to. And then we can customize our font up here. And we have our keyword search function here as well. And then you can print or download full text and pages as you desire. So that is ProQuest. And one last thing that I want to point out about ProQuest specifically is they have this really nice little question mark button here at the top, which takes you to this help center. So if you are having trouble downloading a text or accessing a text or any just weird little glitchy things going on, it has this little question center that can help you answer a lot of common questions that people sort of run into. And that is pretty much how you access eBooks from the David D. Palmer Health Sciences Library. And remember, if you have any other questions or need any assistance, you can always contact your librarian.